Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2810 or 2800 series. I want to show you how to reset this printer to default setting from the computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your computer both are connected together via a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected both via Wi-Fi network and also using HP. So to reset the printer to default settings, select printer settings. Then go on the left side, select advanced settings. It will show you HP Deskjet. Go to the settings. So you need to put the pin. Open the ink access door. The pin is on the side, so you need to put the pin to proceed. Then select submit. From the settings, select restore defaults. It will show you restore factory default or restore network default. I want us to restore factory default. Then select restore factory default. It will give you a notice. Then select yes, you want to proceed. It will show you restore factory defaults. And also if you go to the printer will be switched off and turn itself back on. The Wi-Fi, the printer will no longer be connected to a wireless network. The printer is starting afresh. Now the Wi-Fi light is highlighting. What that means is the printer is now in a wireless mode. You need to reconnect the printer to a network. So the printer is no longer connected. This is how to reset this printer to default setting. And likewise, on the laptop, it will show you restore factory default setting, show you a green good mark. Then you can go back to the home page. You can go back to the app. This is HP Smart App. And also it will show you printer is offline. So the printer is no longer connected to a network. Thank you very much indeed.